So the bird has boxes all over the house hidden that he likes to play in. And we just got new shoes, so there's a new box in my room that he gets to enjoy. It's right back there. And a little hole between my manga and my TV shows on DVD. What was that, bird? Bird, you in the box? What are you doing in the box? Bird, what are you doing? I see you. Think you're sneaky? You playing in the box behind my manga? Yeah, you are. Hi, bird. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's up? Step down. You can do it. Good boy. Yeah, that's your box.